In front of me is Motorola Moto S50, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, click on this one of a square at the right. Then to name your recording, you can type in wherever you want to at the top. To get rid of it, hit delete at the bottom left corner and to end it and save it on save at the top right one. To delete your recording, use those three dots right next to it. Hit delete and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!